Yo, what is up guys, Ronan and Apaapa here. We are back with another video. This one is definitely a different one as outside isn't looking very promising for shooting. So I thought I might sit inside and give away my tips and tricks on how I create these vlogs. So I am excited to announce that this is the beginning to a tutorial series. If you guys like these types of videos, please leave it in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So I get asked the question a lot, do I have an external microphone for my GoPro HERO8? And my answer to that is no, I just know how to adjust the audio correctly. And I am going to show you guys right now. So open up Premiere Pro and let's get right into it. As you can see, I have stolen a clip from my last video. I'm gonna show you guys how you can adjust the audio. So this is the before. Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading to the beach right now. It is the end of the vlog. Please excuse the lack of my computer's processing as the video will be a bit rough. We don't need to concentrate on the video, we just need to concentrate on the audio. So the first step, what I always do is go up to the tab here and tap audio. This gives you a whole nother playground to muck around with basically. You got your audio levels and adjusting settings in here. One thing I want to point out is to the right of the editing software, we have these levels here. This is what we're going to be using to edit the audio. This is our main source of the crispiness we are going to get. Up here underneath audio clip mixer, we have a little arrow. We want to shove that down and you have all of these slots. Now we want to scroll down, so you got A1, A2 and A3. These are your audio slots here. So right now our track is on A1, so we want to manipulate A1. So we scroll back up and we only want to adjust these slots here. So to begin, we're going to pull up 3 effects that I mainly use and I only use to adjust the audio for the HERO8. The first one being an amplitude and compression amplifier. The second one is in filter and EQ, parametric equalizer. And in the third one, we go back to amplitude and compression, we have dynamics. These are the 3 effects that I mainly use to make my audio sound better. We double tap amplify and it brings up the track effects editor. I usually like to bump it up to about plus 3 dB boost, and let's see what that sounds like. Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading to the beach right now. What I am going to do, by holding option and click and drag down, I'm going to drag another audio track underneath that basically copy and paste it, but this bottom one has absolutely no effects, the top one does. So we'll mute the bottom one. This is with effects. Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading to the beach right now. And this is without effects. Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading to the beach right now. It is, as you can see, it's very subtle right now. That is okay. We still have 2 more effects to work on. So you will have these 2 slots on the level, and if they peak red, you do not want that to happen. So we'll shove that down to 3 because it just gives that real crusty audio sound that we don't like, we don't want. Let's get rid of those. Parametric equalizer. This looks insanely weird, I understand. So down here in the left corner we have HP. You tap on that and it gives us this nice curvature that we can play around with. And if you see this H, we want to grab this dot and we want to bring it up, and it gives also a nice curvature, but we want to make it a bit more sharp, so we come down to here and tap this, and it gives it a bit more sharpness. So first we want to grab this HP and we want to drag it in so the bottom line here matches up with 100. Then you want to play the video and drag the HP maybe a little bit to the left or right, depending what sounds better. Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading to the beach right now. It is the end of the vlog. It kind of gives a nice flat tone and there's not too much background noise. And moving on to the H up here, this is where you can adjust kind of high tones, mid tones, and low tones. Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading to the beach right now. It is the end of the vlog. As you guys can see, we did peak up here quite a bit, so we're gonna go back into amplify and maybe throw this down to 2.5. Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading to the beach right now. It is the end of. You will get times where you will start peaking throughout the video, and that is where dynamics comes into play. So we open up dynamics, we turn on the compressor, The compressor will basically take the audio and just sharpen it off and give it a nice blocky sound. So we play it through.
Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading to the beach right now. It is at the end of the vlog.
I don't like pushing it past the 2.0 mark, so 1.6 does sound quite good to me. And then we're gonna muck around with the limiter. The limiter is what will help us not peak to the top of the level. We'll grab the threshold and we'll go -2.
Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading.
As you can see, it did not peak anywhere past -6. So when we want to grab the marker, whilst we are playing the video, you want to start adjusting this. It kind of gives a bit more amplification to it.
Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading to the beach right now. It is at the end of the vlog.
0.5 is basically the best we can get it at to make that audio sound crisp. Alright, we can shut that down now. Definitely save the project because Premiere Pro loves to crash on us. And this is what it sounds like before.
Okay guys, here's the situation right now.
And this is what it sounds like after.
Okay guys, here's the situation right now. I am heading to the beach.
As you guys can see, it gives a nice crisp audio to it. This is how I always adjust my settings when I'm vlogging with the Hero 8. No, I don't use an external microphone, I just use the inbuilt microphone to adjust my videos. Otherwise guys, that is how I adjust my audio. I hope you guys like this tutorial. It is a short one as I don't want to keep these ones too long and I don't want to give away too much of my secrets. It's for you guys to muck around. Please leave a comment below if you guys like the start of the series. Leave a like on this video, it helps a lot. And I hope you guys keeping it stoked. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You!